decided to go to Carburn Park today, get some photographs of the bald eagles that are flying around here. It seems to be half busy in the parking lot. They're clearing the ice over there for ice skating, but all the signs say thin ice, so hopefully it's not too busy in here. But I got my camera and we're gonna go in here and see if we can find an eagle or something just as cool. So follow along to see more. So today's trip to Carburn Park was super successful. Got some good shots of the eagles in their nest and got a swan on the river. It's my first time seeing a swan in the wild. And then got some deer and the porcupine. So if you like today's vlog, like and subscribe. I'm going to be doing more of these in the future. Thanks.